Hello, this is the manual height adjustable desk by Lumi. Manual height adjustable desk means that when you want to adjust the height of this desk, there is a hand crank which is provided at the side. So you just need to rotate that hand crank to adjust the height of this table. This table has a weight load capacity of 60 to 70 kg, which means that you can put a lot of things on the table like a monitor, laptop, keyboard. Even if you have a multiple monitor setup or a gaming monitor setup, still this desk will hold the weight. Also, the best part of this desk is that this comes with a tabletop. The tabletop is made of particle board and the size of the tabletop is 4.5 feet by 2 feet, which means that the desk is so wide that you can put multiple monitors, multiple things, a books, glass of water, anything, and still there will be space left on your desk. If you want to adjust the height of this desk, you just need to keep rotating this hand crank. You can see that the rotation is much smoother, as though there is no friction of any sort in this. The desk is now at standing height. I can comfortably work standing as well. Even at a standing height, there is so much stability in the desk that it is not shaking or moving or vibrating. The main reason for this is that there is a horizontal rail frame across the desk. If you look closely, there is a horizontal rail frame which is there between the legs, which holds the legs in place, giving it much more stability. The brand of this desk is Lumi. A little bit about Lumi. So Lumi is a very good international known brand which is a major manufacturer for European and American companies. So we have been distributing Lumi for India in the last 3 to 4 years. So we are authorized distributors and all our products come with the Lumi guarantee. The best part is that the desks have been tested for their weight capacity and also for their stability 4 times in the factory. So all the products that come from our company have the Lumi guarantee. You can also go on the Lumi website and check the manufacturing facilities, the way the desk is produced and everything. We can also provide you with the demo support, the videos, video conferencing or anything which you need for this desk. Stay healthy, work healthy. Thank you.